Hey, what's going on, people? This is Rico. Cutting this quick video to do a review on My Lead Gen Secret. I actually just got into this program yesterday, and I wanted to show you the results. Okay, so pretty much, if you don't know what it is, it's a system that they give you 100 leads per day. Okay, um, I know people have heard systems like this before. The leads may have not been that great, but it was just something about this system that made me want to try it, and I'm glad I did, and I'm looking forward to more results. So, um, with that being said, like I said, they give you 100 leads per day. They do have a commission or affiliate program with it as well, so you do get paid down to 5 levels for bringing people on. But on top of that, it doubles your leads every day. So instead of getting 100, all you have to do is bring on one person, and you get 200 leads per day. So when I first looked into this, I was thinking, well, maybe, the leads aren't good, right? Um, maybe, they're giving you BS leads, because who can give you 100 to 200 leads per day, right? And they be good. So I know for me, I purchase leads. I purchased them from MLMleads.com, which is a great source. I also do solo ads that have not seen a conversion like this through my autoresponder with my leads, okay? Um, Not really sure where this company is getting the leads from. It has to be a very reliable source from the results that I've gotten so far. Um, so let me just show you real quick. So yesterday, like I said, I just started yesterday. Actually, I sent the email out at 8:30 p.m. Eastern time yesterday. So with this system, you can only send out one email a day. However, if you want to, you can download the leads and upload them into your autoresponder, whether you have Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, whatever. You can download these leads and email them however you like. But I wanted to just try it with the system before I uploaded it to any of my autoresponders. So as you can see, the first email that I sent last night, out of 100 leads, I got 33 opens and 10 clicks, okay, which is a 33% open rate, all right, 30% click-through rate. Those numbers are phenomenal, okay? Um, it's very hard to get those kind of numbers, 33 open, I know for me anyway, on just 100 leads, okay? Um, so imagine, after a month, even if you just get 100 leads a day, that's 3,000 leads that you'll be able to email to after 30 days. And if you still keep the same scenario going, which of course this is going to go up and down, right? Everything's not going to stay the same, okay? Depends on your headline of your email, the body, what you're presenting and things like that. But let's just say in a perfect world, let's even take this to 5 clicks. Let's say it was 5 clicks, okay? Um, so that would make it at a 5% click-through rate, right? Or you're getting clicks at 5% of your people that's coming in are clicking your link that's in the email, which means they're looking at your offer, right? So imagine when you get to 3,000 leads. Imagine when you get to 10,000, because these leads are going to come in every day, and you can email them once a day, right? So just imagine how many people you can have looking at your offer, and you can promote whatever you want to promote, okay? I started off promoting this because I just want to see how this goes. Um, I don't think I've got any conversions as far as sales yet, but we all know that it takes some time to get, to get sales. I don't think 10 clicks is going to do it. But as I get more leads every day and I'm sending them out, I should see some conversions into sales, right? So I think that's safe to say. Um, Now, a lot of people may be thinking, well, what do you get with the lead, right? What kind of information do you get with the lead? So let me just show you real quick. And of course, I'll blur everything out. Oh, I got to sign back in. Give me a second. All right, so um, May 4th is when I started. So here are the leads. You can actually download them, okay? I'm going to definitely blur some things out, but they're all from United States. I got one Canada in there. United States. They're all United States and Canada, okay? Um, and you get the name, you get the email address, IP address. You also get the city and the state and the postal code, okay? What else do you get? And the date that they opted in. So you can download this, upload it to your autoresponder, or you can send it right from this system. So if we go back, and the emails are pretty simple. This is the email that I sent. Okay. So that's the one I sent, and put a little picture in there that they can click also, and a link. So it says right here, I have 8 hours, 49 minutes before I can send my next one. And let's go back to home. But yeah, so that's how it's working. Everybody needs leads. No matter what you're promoting, you need leads, right? You can also call these leads because they give you the phone number, right? So you can send them text messages as well. If you have a text messaging broadcasting system that you use, here you go, 100 leads per day. Okay. Again, I don't know where they're getting these leads from, but hey, it's, from the numbers, they look like they're working. What I'll do is I'll do an updated video on my success. And look, I got, just from that little bit of time, I got 2 more clicks, right? So there you go, 12 people click my link from that email. So I'm probably going to call these leads, send some text messages, see what kind of response I get out of that. But so far, so good. The system is one time $60 to set up, and then it's $30 a month. You cannot beat that. 100 leads per day for $30 per month. So if you're struggling for leads, we all know you have to keep a flow of leads coming through your pipeline. If you're struggling to do that, you don't really have the budget to do that. Anyone should be able to afford $30 a month. So go ahead, click the link below, get started, and it'll walk you through everything. It'll show you how to set up everything, and go out and send out your first email, and see what kind of success rate you get. Try it out for a month at least. Get your 3,000 leads. Download them, upload them to your autoresponder if you want to. All right. So go ahead, check it out. Click the link below. Have any questions, just reach out to me. All right. See you on the other end.